Another adventure begins. The blackest, shortest. Bush Beehive. I'm intrigued. We're on the move. Black Shorts is climbing on things, as per usual. Dainty. What can we see from up here? Rock pool. Stingray. Camouflaged. So we're seeing stingrays these days. Stingrays are the new goanna. As he hides in the dust from Black Shorts. Some morning seabirds as Black Shorts has got quite a pace on. The still water runs deep. And Black Shorts has got a little warm, slipping a layer off. Or is he going to jump in that water? A rocky scramble. A funny looking fellow. Where are these bees, Black Shorts? Maybe down here. Here we go. Here's the wild beehive. Hidden under some rocks. A colony of European honeybees. This is their waxy home where they live and store honey and reproduce. Look at that engineering marvel. They pollinate flowers and just make the world a better place for you and for me. There'd be a queen in there somewhere. So many. Here he comes. Maggie. As we fly over the hill like a bee. Nice river. Being a bee would be awesome. Where to now? Dingo Flat. Some dingo lunch there. The brush turkey. And Black Shorts is on a little dingo mission. Down to the beach. What can we find down here as we fly off like a bee over the rocky landscape? Where are we going? There's Black Shorts having a little strut. A little soft landing like a ballerina. Lowering himself down. He's on a coastal track now. Eyes peeled for whales. Another dingo dumpling. Some very crocky looking swampland here. A dune. Black Shorts' favourite habitat. And sunset. Where are the dingoes? Where did the dingo go? There's some footprints. Sunset. Nevertheless, a happy ending in this beehive / dingo day. Where next?